Namaste. Welcome to Adi Shakti Cars. This is your host and host Prashant Nair. It is a great moment for me to start with the first episode of Masterclass Monday. We'll be taking this opportunity to share some basic tips for better maintenance of your vehicle. For most of us, vehicle is not just a machine, but an emotion. It stands by us in our happiness, sorrows, fun and troubles as well. To ensure that you are able to take better care of your emotion, our line of technical experts are going to share basic maintenance ideas and tips which will help you maintain your vehicle well. Our technical experts will also be highlighting the best practices followed at Adi Shakti Cars. Now this is something interesting for all the DIY and auto repair enthusiasts to learn something new every passing week from our experts. So friends, let's get ready to learn something new this week on Masterclass Monday. So guys, I take this opportunity here to introduce you to Mr. Naveen, our Deputy General Manager for Services. Hello Naveen, how are you?
Hello, fine.
Great. So Naveen, as you know, we are working on Masterclass Monday. So we would want to hear from you the importance of regular car maintenance and the smaller elements which needs to be taken care of.
Okay, I'll let you know. See, as a human body, we will be taking care of many things for ourselves. The same way we need to take off the vehicles. I'll explain you why. When you are going out or venturing out, there are few basic steps which needs to be followed. Now, first and foremost, we need to check the engine oil level. Second, the coolant levels. Third, use a recommended wiper fluid so that you will have a better visibility on the road when it starts raining or something. Most important is the tire pressure and the alignment. Why? Because it improves road stability and the safety when you are traveling.
So Naveen, how about we take a tour of what all are the important elements in a vehicle so that we can show our audience what, where and how it needs to be checked.
Definitely.
So let's see what we have in the machine.
Let me introduce to my DET Mr. Srinath Reddy.
Hi Srinath.
See, as I said earlier, it is very important to check the engine oil level. To do that, there will be a dipstick. So you can use it for checking the oil level in the engine. There will be a 2 mark, minimum and the maximum. It shouldn't be either up nor down. It should be in a correct level, the maximum level. Second is use recommended washer fluid for this to fill up the wiper tank. Third, it's a brake oil. It's always better to check the level of the brake oil as well.
Minimum
and maximum.
So you mean to say all of it has their marks?
Yeah, all of it has their marks, minimum and maximum levels.
Alright, okay.
And also coolant.
And the most important is coolant. So it helps us to avoid the breakdown or engine overheating issues. So here as well we will be getting a minimum and maximum level. So you should be using that recommended coolant oils.
Okay. Now how do we go by checking our tires? How do we go by what is the pressures that we need to follow?
See, there is a recommended pressure from all the OEMs.
Okay.
It will be displayed in your owner's manual as well as in the vehicle itself.
Okay. Can
I'll
you
show that.
mention in the vehicle? I think so that will help our audience figure it out quick.
Yes, I'll show you. And before that, I'll let you know it's always better to maintain a good tire pressure. The recommended tire pressure will be written on this and in the vehicle as well. It will be mentioned in the B pillar side.
Pillar side.
Yeah.
Okay.
And lastly, you can do the routine checkup in your vehicle so that all the headlights, bulbs, brake bulbs are in the working conditions.
Alright Naveen, so you know what? The idea is very simple. Better be safe than sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll keep coming up to you again and again, week on week basis, wherein we would, we would be pestering you to give us more information about that.
Definitely.
Yeah. Alright Naveen.
Thank you.
It was a wonderful session with Mr. Naveen. I hope it was informative. I request each and every one of you to please follow the tips shared. Keep yourself safe and your vehicle as well. Thanks for watching the video, my friends. See you next week. Until then, stay safe, stay cautious. See you next week. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.